Good Monday morning. We've got a really cool selection. The good news today is Columbus Day, and we do all these at $14.99. Not sure why, just because I'm sure Columbus brought fabric with him, but anyway. So this is some really cool stuff. This is a cotton poly. This has stretch in both directions. These would be great for pants, jacket, like a lightweight knit jacket. The color, there's two colors, and they're very close to one another, but this one has more yellow. This one is more brown based. But both very pretty. They're like ribbed. You can see there's a diagonal twill, so kind of like a denim, but in a knit. Very pretty, cotton poly. I put this with it because it goes with both of them. This is a wool, and it's beautiful. It's that grayish that Armani created, but that's what it is. But it's a black and a milk color in that grayish. So it's going to go with either gray or beige. It's a woven and beautiful. I think both sides could be used. I love this side, even though I don't think that's the right side, but it sure is pretty. This next one is the same. It's a different color, but it's pant weight, jacket weight would be beautiful, a knit jacket. It's a twill weave, but it's a knit. It has stretch in both directions. It's a cotton poly. Very pretty, just real pretty. And I put in coordinates that go with them. They kind of all go with one another. This is a cotton poly. Beautiful little, I think it's pretty, just like for a little jacket, a jean jacket would be adorable to me, or just a little casual jacket to throw on with jeans, especially like a light color jean would be really pretty. This is a cotton poly, it's a woven. And again, $14.99 for all these, you guys, just a really good price. This is 100% cotton, it has stretch in both directions. Dark purple, don't need to say a lot about that, it's just a great fabric. Don't have a lot of quantity on that. But this blends just beautifully. This is a Robert Kaufman 100% cotton. Love the tie-dye reversible. He does a lot of his cottons reversible. I just picked this one up because I just love the colors. Anyway, again, $14.99. These are today only. The goal is, it, happy sewing with Silhouette Patterns and happy Columbus Day.